This week I'm testing the Audi S4 Wagon. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. Remember to like and subscribe and to follow us on our socials. In the back of the Audi S4 Wagon there are ISOFIX in the two outer seats. They are within plastic guides and really nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages on the back of all three seat backs, and the central one is just higher up near the headrest. Now I could fit two child seats in here really nice and easily, and I could just squeeze between them when I needed to travel in the back. Now legroom is good in here too. We found a 182 centimetre passenger could travel in either side in front of a rear facing child seat. In the back, the storage is quite minimal. There are net mat pockets on the back of both front seats. They'll hold but not conceal an iPad. And there's a fold down in the central seat back. That has two cup holders that will hold a reusable and disposable coffee cup and a little storage for your phone and things like that. And the door bins are a good size. They'll hold a large refillable water bottle. Storage in the front of the Audi S4 Wagon is quite good. There are cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. In front of them is a little ledge, and you've got USB and 12-volt socket in there too. There's a little storage area I found good for popping the key in. And the central console box is quite small, but it's got your wireless phone charging space there and just room for a pair of sunglasses. The glove box is a good size in here, but it will only hold my wallet with all the manuals, not the iPad. And the door bins are a good size. They'll hold a large refillable water bottle. The boot of the Audi S4 will open automatically just when you've got the key on your person. It's lovely and big in here, being a wagon. Let's find out how much it fits.
Empty, it will hold 14 shopping bags, or a twin stroller and 3 shopping bags, a tandem pram and 6 shopping bags, a single stroller and 5 shopping bags, or a compact stroller and 10 shopping bags.
The Audi S4 Wagon is a really fun and fast car to drive. It's fantastic. Visibility is a little bit difficult out of the back just because of the low roof line, but the side mirrors and cameras make parking and things really nice and easy. Now there is driver assist instructions that come up in the screen in front of the steering wheel, and they are a little bit bossy, but apart from that it's really good and really fun. There are aircon vents in the front and the back of the S4, which is great for keeping those passengers in the back cool while you're driving along. The media system in the Audi S4 is lovely and simple and easy to navigate and to use. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well, so you can access your different apps to listen to as well. When you put it into reverse, the camera image is lovely and clear, and you can change the camera angle down here, and you can mute the parking sensors on here or turn them off down on the central console. To sum up with the Audi S4, it does fit those two child seats in the back really nicely. It's obviously got that low roof line, but we haven't had any hit heads this week at all. Legroom is good, the media system is great, and the boot space is really good in this wagon. And it's a fantastic car to drive.